Today I will show you from my PC that how to see saved password from your Gmail account. So let's see that process. For the first time you have to open your Chrome browser, then go this button, then manage Google account, and from this you have to click on security and sign in. So as you can see here at the last option, password manager. So click on that. Then you can see every password that you saved in this Gmail account. So I'm going to show Facebook. So click on this arrow button. Then simply you have to write down your Gmail password. So as you can see here that you saved here, you could copy here from. At the same time, if you want to edit, then you can edit clicking on this, or you can delete it. So whatever you want, you can do it from here. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching up to end.